In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Amex points to Qatar Airways, which can be a fantastic way to get more value from your points, especially if you're planning a trip and want to enhance your travel experience. To kick things off, you'll need to open up your web browser and navigate to americanexpress.com. This is your starting point for accessing all the great rewards and benefits that Amex has to offer. Once you're on the homepage of American Express, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Explore Amex Travel. This area is where you'll find all the travel-related benefits and options that come with your Amex card. Explore carefully, because there are many features you might not yet be aware of that could help make your trip planning even more rewarding. Next, look for Rewards and Benefits. Clicking on this section is crucial, as it leads you deeper into the realm of your membership rewards. This is where you can really start to see how far those points you've accumulated can take you, both literally and figuratively. Now you'll want to focus on the membership rewards or program. This is where all the magic happens, where your points can be managed and you can fully utilize the various rewards available to you. Under the section that says Enhance Your Travel Plans, you should see the Transfer Points option. This is exactly what you're here for. Click on it and you'll soon be on your way to transferring those points to Qatar Airways. Following this, you will need to view all partners. This step ensures that you can see all the potential airline partners available for point transfer. It helps if you familiarize yourself with these partners, as each has different transfer ratios and potential bonuses. You should select the category Airline 17, where you can see all the airlines you can send your points to. Among these options, find Qatar Airways Privilege Club and click on it. This is the airline's loyalty program, and by transferring your points here, you could benefit significantly during your travels with Qatar Airways. The next step involves clicking on Show Details. At this point, you want to fully understand the details and conditions of the transfer process. This information is essential to ensure that every transfer of points runs smoothly and without any unexpected surprises. Finally, you'll be prompted to log into your Amex account to initiate the point transfer. Make sure your account details are at hand to proceed efficiently. Once logged in, follow the system's prompts to complete the transfer process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully transferred your Amex points to Qatar Airways. This could lead to exciting new travel opportunities and the possibility of experiencing one of Qatar's renowned luxury flights. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.